new Ninja pellet adapter converts your AR-15, Mini-14, or any .223 caliber rifle into a very powerful .22 caliber pellet rifle. The following video will give you a short demonstration of how it works, how it's loaded, and its performance. The Ninja series is powered by a 209 shot shell primer. To install the primer, press the primer into the bottom of the adapter using a wood or metal block until it seats flush. To install the pellet, press the pellet firmly into the mouth of the adapter until it seats. The Ninja series is powered by a 209 shot shell primer. Any .22 caliber pellet can be used in the Ninja adapter. But for feeding from a magazine, the Benjamin Discovery hollow point works the best. It seats evenly with the case mouth and provides the best feeding from your magazine.